Hey guys, it's Kelly. Hey, I got a card to share with you guys. I made one and I thought, oh, that's pretty cute. I want to kind of duplicate that. So I thought I would record it real quick and share it with you guys. So hopefully it can inspire you to use your Simon Says March 2020 card kit if you got that. So that's the first one that I made. I thought it turned out cute and that I would remake another one because I used a 6x6 piece of paper from the card kit and I pretty much just cut it in half, kind of sort of, and then added a little strip on there. So I'm just showing you how it went. That's how the paper came. And then I just used the back of it, a little strip of it, and it was the back of it. So I knew that it was a perfect match. So, and I cut everything, pre-cut everything. It's about just short of 8 minutes. So hopefully it's not too long of a video. But this is a super cute stamp set that came with the March 2022 card kit from Simon Says Stamps. So cute. So I just stamped that with using my Tim Holtz stamping platform and then just die cut it with a circle and a scallop circle that I have in my stash. And then with the strip at the bottom, I got these strips from Love from Lizzie. Probably not new to a bunch of people, but it's new to me. And these really add so much to cards to make them look very finished and I think kind of professional. I used one that had like a sheen to it, a mirror finish, and that is awesome when it makes sense. And in this one, it definitely made sense. The flowers are pretty busy in the background and they're kind of the star of the show and didn't really need too much. So it was a super easy card to put together. And those sticker strips from Love from Lizzie, I stocked up on them. I would definitely recommend those. Again, these are just my personal opinions. I don't get paid to do this, and I purchased all these supplies on my own. But yeah, so I'm just mad. I just cut that out, and then when I sized it up to my base, it was a little bit, yeah, I just needed to cut a tiny bit off of that gray matted piece to kind of make it go well. I like to have a really thin, like maybe an 1/8 of an inch border around my card bases. I think it looks kind of nice that way. I don't like it flat against the card if I can avoid that. I don't know why I don't like that very much, but for this one, because there was a little space where I put that strip at the bottom, I just added some filler paper, just some scrap paper on the back, just so that it would glue down nice and even and not be bumpy when I put my card together. And I'm using my favorite glue. It's the Barely, hold on, what is it called? It's my go-to. Barely Art Precision Craft Glue. I absolutely love it. It's got a very fine tip and it's very helpful. So the first card that I did, I used the light gray background behind that Just Saying Hello die cut piece that I did. And this time I decided I would use the darker one. And I wish I would have left it crooked like that. That's kind of cute. And I was kind of feeling straight lines that day. So I just wound up keeping it in a straight line and worked it that way. Just glued it down and committed. I tell you, I spend so much time just fussing over the smallest little change, like whether or not you're going to make it a little crooked or keep it straight. I just need to glue it down. Just commit and go. Go for it. So there it is. And I think I popped that up on some phone tape. And then I got these, this is from the washi tape shop. And they have, this is stickers. And these stickers are so, oh, I'm so in love with them. I'm in love with everything that I got from the washi tape store. You guys should check that out. I think it's a washi tape shop. So super cute washi tape and stickers. And this butterfly is just so fragile and dainty looking. It was so cute. And it matched perfectly with the card. So I wound up, I put one down and it got some glue boogers. I call them glue boogers that was stuck on my mat, my workspace. So I had to put another one down. I had to peel it up and put another one down. I hated wasting it, but it was just it just looked dirty underneath it, and that wasn't going to fly for my card, so I had to fix that. But I'm really into decorating the inside of the cards. I think that just gives it that extra oomph. You could just have it just plain white paper inside so that you can write your message in there and stamp a sentiment if you choose to. But I'm kind of a fan of making sure that I have an area for you to write a message on, and then also just have some sense of decoration that flows from the front of the card. I think it looks more finished, and I don't know, I just think it screams I definitely gave this effort, more effort. So, and I like just leaving one of the sides open like that, just so you can see the background color. And then to finish it off with the sticky strips, sticker strips from Love from Lizzie, wound up tying it all together really nicely. And you can go as crazy as you want as the inside, but this is a really, really simple design, and I'm into that. I like the simpler, the better. Um, these design papers are gorgeous, and when you can let them do the work for you, it just makes sense, and embellish it as little as possible, and then you get a lot more from your supplies. So, and I decided to use a black card base for this one, and this is a mini slimline card. I'm sorry I didn't even identify that, but it's basically 3x6, and I love making these. It's a small area to work with. It's I don't know, the size of the mini slimline is just appealing to me. I think it looks great. It's not too obnoxious to display if someone wants to keep it and display it. I think it's just the perfect size. And again, just using my glue. I love that little wiggle room that I get because I can never seem to get it on there straight when I like to leave a little border. It's always off on one side or the other. But this one wound up looking pretty nice. And then I add the inside of it too. And I like using my Teflon bone folder to kind of make sure that sticky strip is stuck down. It's really sticky. It holds its own. You don't need to add extra glue to the sticker strips, but I like to just make sure it's pressed down really well. And a tip on that is make sure that when you fold over the sticker strip that you fold it straight, not at an angle like I did, because otherwise it looks a little crooked. So there they both are. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you got inspired to bust out some papers that you've been hoarding and stickers and have a go. So I got a whole bunch more to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and hit the bell for me. Have a good one.